Welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how to automatically create a window of a specific size. So let's get started. So first of all, let's create a label. Hello, and that's good. And if you run it, you can see that a small window is open up, and we want this window to be open up um, this big initially. So what we have to do is just simply type here root dot geometry. In this you have to put the size of your window that you want, so 400 width, and instead of multiplication sign like this we have to place x here, then the height of the window. So 400 by 400. If we run it, you can see we get initially 400 by 400 window. That's how you initially create a window of specific size.